Hi, this is Brian Belsky, Chief Investment Strategist at BMO Capital Markets. We recently published our 2020 market outlook, the year ahead for the U.S. and Canada. The title of our Canadian stock market commentary this year is Undiscovered Value Territory. If investors blinked, they probably missed it. Canada managed to be one of the best performing developed markets in 2019. This despite rhetoric lingering overhead regarding politics, trade, and commodities. However, our secular theme remains intact. As America goes, so goes Canada. Yes, it would be great if oil and gold prices were both heading higher, but that is not in the cards right now. Instead, we believe Canada will continue to benefit from both its proximity to the U.S. in terms of trade and its fundamental operations in America. Namely, we want investors to focus on those companies whose incremental growth is coming from their exposure to the U.S. If we analyze that subset, these are companies that are trading at more attractive multiples with similar growth dynamics. In other words, global investors should be using Canada as a cheaper way to own the United States. Granted, the following 5 topics continue to dictate investor sentiment in Canada. Number 1, a lack of foreign inflows. We believe inflows have a very good chance of reversing in 2020 with money coming back to Canada. Number 2, can sectors outside the big 3 continue to outperform? We think the answer is a resounding yes, especially since a big portion of the strength from these companies comes from their U.S. operations. Number 3, will energy continue to lag? We think both foreign inflows and the oversold nature of the energy sector are positive catalysts heading into 2020. Number 4, PFP, perpetual financials pessimism. Sentiment remains negative within the sector, but fundamentals are positive in our view. And number 5, liberal minority governments. Our work shows that liberal minorities are traditionally very good for stock market performance. That leaves us with an S&P TSX index target of 18,200 on earnings of $1,140. While we continue to favor the U.S. over Canada over the next few years, we believe Canada offers global investors an attractive fundamental alternative to more volatile assets around the world. As such, we favor sectors such as communication services, energy, and financials, large cap over small cap, and companies that generate steady cash flow and dividends as a theme. Thanks for watching, and here's to a great 2020 for Canada.